Hello friends, today just a quick video to show you how to set up the driven keys for adjusting the formation of the characters. So, for example, now I'm dealing with the eyes, and as you can see, when I look left, when I look right, the eyelids kind of adjust for those positions. And also, like I mentioned before, if you do scale, it will close and open the eyes. This is done by using shape keys and driven by this bone, that are driven by this bone. Let me show you. So, to do that, I already set up a few driven keys. I already have the open close, looking right and looking left, that are already set up. But I'm now going to do with you the looking up, for example. So let's do that. First thing we need to do is actually object pose mode and Alt G, place it right, place the bone in the position that we want. Let's do it 0.01 because it's an easy number to remember and set up. So now we go to the object and we go to the shape key in question. It cannot be 0, you have to set it up to 1. So the full value of the deformation, you can see at 0 it has no influence, and at 1 is the shape key activated. It's just a small adjustment, but it's many times enough to avoid eyes crossing geometry and stuff like that. So now that we have this on value 1, we add the driver. And the driver immediately shows up here. So it's here, value eyes looking up. But now you need to set it up so it actually does something. So the first thing is changed to average value. And then you select the skeleton and the bone that we want to use, in this case the blink control. And of course we want to not the X location, because X, that would be one side or the other. I don't have the widget. Here it is. So X will be for left and right, and we want in this case up and down. So that would be Z, but that would be in world. Let's see actually if that is the same in the bone. So the bone, we activated the bone axis, and we see that up and down is actually the Y axis. So what having learned that, you know that it's only set up. Let's go back to the object, and here it is. You choose Y location and local space. You update dependencies, and you can now see, let's see if it worked. No, it didn't, because it's pointing 0.01, and that is because if you see all the curve, view frame all, for example, and you see that the curve goes from 0, 0 to 1, 1, and it's here, F curve, 0, 1, value 1, and value 1. And in what you want to do, you need to do, because you moved 0.01 up, so that's the value that you place here, like so. And now you can see updated to 1. You can go back, it's always good, update dependencies, and you try it, see if it worked. Move a little bit up and down, and you see that the eyelids are now actually updating as we move. And so we are left, or right, left, up, and I will just do down next, and that's it. An easy way to avoid the geometry to intersect, and easing the deformations on characters. So until next time.